Riboi district. The news in detail. President Draupadi Murmu said India will develop into a knowledge economy only when the digital divide is substantially bridged through the use of technology. She was addressing the gathering after giving away Digital India Awards 2022 to the winners at a function in New Delhi today. She said the pace of change in the future will be rather fast and driven by the use of technology, and in this context, social justice should be the prime objective of digital innovations. Murmu said that digital technologies have enabled the government to reach out to the remotest part of the country at a click of a button.
I am confident that India is setting the right example of ensuring the inclusion of vulnerable and marginalized sections of society, strengthening economic, social, and cultural rights in our journey towards digital Antyodaya.